In this tutorial, I will show you how to access archived chats on Chat GPT, web, or desktop computer. Open your browser and search for Chat GPT. Scroll down and click on the official Chat GPT site. Now log in to your Chat GPT account. To archive a chat, click the three dots on the right side of the chat and select Archive. To archive an open chat, click the three dots in the top right of the chat. Click Archive to archive that conversation. To view your archived chats, click on your profile icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Select Settings from the menu. In the Settings panel, find the section labeled Data Controls. Next to Archived Chats, click on the Manage button. This will open a list of your archived chats along with the creation dates. You can view any archived chat by unarchiving it or delete it permanently by clicking the trash can icon. That's it. Now you know how to access archived chats on ChatGPT.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.